sacrifice our religion and worship the princess from Brazilian. My name is Anzavali. Your clever superstar. Let me address the elephant in the room. Energy. Global superstar. I can't go my face. I can't.
Promotion, flow manager, coaching exchange. That guy is such a power straight up. I bet he'll put it you tune into your favorite show. It's called the Drive Through, and I'm your boy holding down your Makitas and my train. The reason why you took me to Kubakamata Shawala, Abadaba venue, was the shit down.
Yeah, because I think umchita I need to fusenza ukuthi lapha ukuthi singabantu basekasi and sometimes abantu basekasi ababathathi serious yabo because bathi sirechet ghetto nana asedleki yabo mara yena mina I show people ukuthi hayi baba noma nithi sirechet we still do umsebenzi.
The one and only Zimbali baba Zimbali kwenzakalani phela nje asiqale lapho nje what really went down there because ngathi ngifika ngathi sekaqala manje ama-fans kaMzimbali they want to build the space. What is exactly happening? Ngithatha ungibeke mfethu
sanibonani yazi ngayithenda October the most delay Global Superstar launch party. How okay sayicala kahle event vele umchita unnonchalant nje vele ngathi bengakubheka umuntu that day akhawuhlala la until 8 ayimchita decide ukuvala event yangathi hambani la yo
uma ngifika lapha yangifika uyibomb dog bayalwa abantu serious.
Shout out to Ivan and Lifestyle because we was accepted. No, bebangas expectanga. Yabo safika sathubeka event khona perform na guest performer abanye wa celebrate nabo khona. Thank you for coming.
Yeah, definitely.
Well, I learned ukuthi nje unga give up because uthela ngathi give up ngivele ngiyazi bafethu.
Ngiyashare.
I just want to say thank you to our friends who are already streaming Elon
Project
Superstar EP. Kulaba bebangazi iphumile nge-1 October and ngethembe kwi-launch party yayo, so keep on streaming it. Khona le match Global Superstar match but they come into colors purple and green wathola lapha na ku-Shopify for 250.
NH yawenza umsebenzi. Dog, I see you've got a lot of the influencer cast. There are people that are following your cast. You've got like your crowd, the cast. What do you think they love you for?
Because the products are gas and I'm showing them good gas, we can do things. You know? Yes, no matter what. Because I could keep gas again. Never got my feelings. And so it's a host event like December gas, and I want you guys to come. Advice and I'm coming perform.
Yeah. I just got a big guys die from
Yeah. I brought you something.
Yeah.
You got to pay all guys.
Yeah. She's paying for this interview by the way.
Well, it's a PS. It says the Young Makitas are things.
Yeah, thank you so much. I really appreciate it.
God, I fell in love with Amapiano because they're from the hood, proud to Souther. I'm proud to Souther too. So please stream my music. They're everywhere. Spotify, Apple Music, Yogi Now. Stream my music. Very searching for Zimbali, Global Superstar, and this is who I am.
Thank you so much, Mbali. That's the full system but let me go to a break. What's the code, the song?
Okay, so Global Superstar, keeping 5 distribution. So my keeper but say my submit music to Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. Then now my system but he couldn't copyright on my songs and I'm like, guys, what? Imagine. So from my knowledge, my beats are original, they are made for me, even the lyrics that I wrote up and in. But obviously the one of us is software gayazi. So artists please
Please guys.
ningakopisani nomunye umuntu nifake kuma-between without even knowing. Maybe wena ufake nje i-drum eli-one, but ngoba bona bayayazi and bayizwile maybe ku-Casper, but hayi man.
But guess who's back? Guess who's back?
Yeah, nami angazi, but E5 is still finding that thing with music coming in on YouTube and Instagram. Contact with Spotify, Apple Music is on.
Okay, thank you so much, Bali, man. I hope Mutis Katsapo is not on our side, so
Yeah.
maybe somewhere. Yeah, man, no peace, guys.
Thank you guys, thank you.
Yeah.
I love you so much from the bottom of my heart. Let's go.
Yeah, guys, nasa inyo the chocolate and sample bambezeleka la. Sisikhuluma kanje mfethu bani before you go bathini mfethu your social media handles to our listeners.
Oh yes, please follow me at Amzimbali. Let me spell it out for you. U-I, U-M, U-Z, U-I, U-M, U-B, U-A, U-I, U-I, Amzimbali. Thank you, love you,
Yeah, let's hope flowers, guys. Now already saying flower. Gilai ma flower. Show na sami hip already 247. Na ngoma mnali ithi ngiyabonga by Amzimbali right here on the favorite radio station. Namsawuthi chocolate, guys.
Alright, flowers. Please buy a t-shirt, Global Superstar, merch, 200 each. Get them from Shopify, Amzimbali store. Just cool my performance, lifetime to child, love and